Tirumala board has now blamed former Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy for it and said that the board has said that the adulteration took place during the Jagan Mohan Reddy government, and the current government at the moment is taking action. CBI has arrested 4 people in connection with this matter. Well, we also have now reaction coming in from TTD board member Bhanu Prakash Reddy. Listening.
लड्डू को साक्षात भगवान का प्रसाद मानते, उस लड्डू में प्रीवियस गवर्नमेंट जगन मोहन रेड्डी गवर्नमेंट का टाइम में उसमें अडल्ट्रेशन हुआ। उसमें एनडीडीबी का रिपोर्ट में दे दिया 100% अडल्ट्रेशन इसमें चांसेस है। इसके पीछे कौन कौन है, इसके क्यों ऐसा हुआ, इसको पूरा इंक्वायरी में बाहर आने वाला है। हमको कॉन्फिडेंस है इसके पीछे कौन है। वो लोग जरूर जेल जाने का टाइम आ गया, किसी को छोड़ते नहीं हम। हमारा गवर्नमेंट बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है इसके बारे में, किसी को छोड़ते नहीं हम।
All right, my colleague Uma Sudhir back with us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Uma, any action that's expected against Jagan Mohan Reddy and his associates?
So, Bhanu Prakash Reddy is a Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam board member, and he is someone who owes allegiance to the BJP party and therefore part of the NDA in that sense, since BJP, TDP and Janasena together run the government in Andhra Pradesh. And yes, it was Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu who had flagged this issue and made quite a blanket statement saying that the Tirumala Laddu had got contaminated during the time of Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy as Chief Minister, and a huge controversy, as you know, had followed through, erupted after that kind of a statement that was made, and that is when the SIT was brought in by the Supreme Court, which started looking at this issue. And the SIT as of now has only spoken about supply chain problems in tendering and the kind of agencies that were used, the 4 people who were arrested and about which we have been reporting since yesterday. That is the only development. So therefore there is nothing that straight away points to Jagan Mohan Reddy at this point in time. Of course, it's a political battle between the TDP, Janasena and BJP on one side and Jagan Mohan Reddy on the other, but there is no evidence per se in this case to point fingers at Jagan Mohan Reddy or for any action to be taken as of now. Back to you.